Hi, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum, and I'm going to try to update my advanced search tutorial video here. I've got one that is currently search tutorial video right there will take you to the search tutorial video, but that's old and there's been a few updates to the system, so I'm going to go back home here. I'm going to try and quickly do a new advanced search tutorial video to show you some of the search capabilities of my website. This map here is an icon. You can click on that anywhere to search. You can search right from here. Gotta scroll down a little to see. You can search right from here by city or zip and price range and start search. And or you can click up here on property. There are a number of canned searches here you can use. But if you click on the property search icon there, oops, I'm zooming the map, it brings up this search map. Now you have search, you can search here, some search criteria here. You also have more search options that you can set in the advanced search here. But if you want to, you can do what is called an advanced search. And if you click on advanced search right there, what it brings up is this map here, which tells you the different MLSs and the number of listings on this map view that we're looking at here from each of those MLSs. So if I zoom in, that number will change. You can see as I zoomed in, and the dominant MLS in Southeast Michigan is going to be RealComp. So if you were looking, let's just say you were looking in the Brighton area, you can see that in this area here, around Brighton, there's 885 listings on RealComp. You're not going to be missing very much if you choose the RealComp MLS to do your advanced search. But by choosing the RealComp MLS as your search, then you can bring up a lot more search criteria that you can use. So you can search, the various property types here. We'll stick with single family. You can search for all of these criteria here. Right now it's set to acreage, and you can choose, how many acres is the max you want it to have, or the min. You can choose a lot of features here. So let's just do a square foot min. Let's say we want our home to be at least 1,250 square feet and a square foot max. We don't really want anything more than 2,000 square feet. You can, on just the general search, you do actually have some choices of home size that you can set there, but this allows you to set both a min and a max. You can set waterfront, you can set waterfront features. So, for example, if you just want something that's going to have a swim association, and it doesn't have to be lakefront, or you can here's where you would choose whether it's going to be lakefront or lake river privileges, or what level of features you wanted there. So you can search by city here. It'll bring up a list of cities. You can search by school district. Let's just go with Brighton School District. We could type in Brighton here, and that would give us Brighton City, but Brighton School District is bigger than Brighton City, so we'll click on Brighton School District because we think Brighton schools are good, and that's where we want to be. We can pick, we want at least 3 beds, we want at least 2 baths, and let's just say in the Brighton area we want our home price to be somewhere between $125,000 and $175,000. So then you put in those criteria, you click search, and you can see there's not too many homes in that price range in Brighton. The blue map icons there will be the RealComp icons, and the gray should be, and it should be showing here, but the gray icon is a different, zoomed accidentally, is a different MLS. So, now that's a RealComp listing. Maybe that's, normally the gray would be like it was, an Eastern Michigan MLS or something, but we're in RealComp. I think that means since we're in RealComp, I need to learn a little bit here myself as we go. That's telling you, I think, that it's there's already an offer on that, and you can make backup offers. So anyhow, and then once you did that search, you got it'll show where the properties are at on the map, but it'll also bring up the individual properties down here that that are on the map. So you can click on the individual listings to see them. Your email address would be your sign in. Right now I'm doing this search, so I'm not signed in. If I look for any details, it's going to ask me to put in my email address to get and I'm going to save the search. So doing that, it's going to need my email address. So it's going to say sign in. So I'll sign in with my email address, which is buyaguesthouse@gmail.com, and log in. And I'm now logged in as me. It says, hello, Ray. And now I can name the search, and we'll say Brighton Sing Fam 125 to 175. And I can choose how often I want to be updated for this search. If I want emails, since it's an advanced search, I can be updated multiple times a day when prices change or new homes come on the market or any status changes like that, or once a day or weekly or whatever you want. So then I'm just going to leave it as multiple times a day, and I will save that search. And now that's an advanced search. You can see I've got 5 saved searches up here. And this is the Brighton single family 125 to 175. I have a number of, I don't know why, but the name of that one was interesting, but might delete that one. But anyhow, and then you can come in here later, you can modify the search, you can change the email frequency, or you can view the full search results, because it's going to assume that you've seen the full search results because you saved the search, or maybe I saved it for you. So if I saved the search for you, you can come to this Save Searches thing here and click on that to see the full search results. And it's got the search criteria of that search over here. So I hope that's helpful to you. I'm up to 7.5 minutes here. So I'll stop this, and I'll try to post this as an updated advanced search tutorial for my website. But just a couple other features while I got a hold of you here. There's this, but there's also these community videos for various communities that you can look at, so that's something to bear in mind. And if you go home, there's also this Agent Insight that I post on, which shows, my areas of expertise and a number of videos that I've shot of various neighborhoods and parks and stuff. And then there's also some promotional videos for various counties and stuff here, informational stuff on the home page. So those are just some of the few features on my website. I hope that's helpful to you. This is Ray Guest with RE/MAX Platinum. Take care. Bye.